Yes. Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon, sir.
Afternoon, sir.
So, in the last class, I believe that one of the problem was pending. Is it right? I had already dictated the problem definition. Is it right? Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Only the problem question was given.
Only the questions. Problem solution is at the beginning.
Yeah.
Okay.
You had told us to calculate the incremental cost, but
Cost is calculated. Okay. So just tell me the problem. First, we that. Yes, is the screen visible now?
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Comes normal duration. Duration. Normal cost. Hardly some 4-5 activities are
5 activities.
normal cost. Columns. Okay, so what are the different activities?
1 to 2, 2 to 3, 2 to 4, 3 to 5, 4 to 5.
Normal duration.
5,
5, 7,
7,
6, 5, and 8.
Crash durations.
4, 6, 5,
Uh, 4,
6, 5, 4, 5.
okay, so apart from one else, what is the next column? Tell me the next column. Normal cost.
1,000,
Apart from Vaishnavi and normal cost column values.
1000,
Anyone else? I just want the normal cost columns. Yes, apart from Ankit and Vaishnavi, values of normal cost.
Sir, normal cost is 1,000,
1,000.
100,
Okay.
200,
Okay.
100,
Okay.
and 300.
Crash cost.
1,600,
1,600.
170,
170. All right.
400,
Okay. Last one is
100.
last one is 100.
Yes, sir.
It's 600, I guess.
Yes.
Oh, sorry, 600, sir. Sorry.
Last one is.
Yes, sir.
So these things are being written. Now, apart from this question statement, anything we have written?
indirect,
Indirect
Indirect.
cost is how much?
Indirect
170
cost is
per
170
per day.
Direct cost,
per day.
20 rupees per day. Got it. Okay, so this was the last step. Last step. Okay, so what we'll do is first we'll start calculating increment cost. The first problem, the project cost calculation, we have solved this. We have determined the increment cost, then the normal cost and the duration, as well as crash cost and crash duration given. We have calculated the incremental cost in the first problem. Okay, so how do we determine the increment cost?
Crash cost minus normal cost.
Anyone else? Yes, apart from Aditya, Vaishnavi and Nan- anyone else? How to calculate the increment cost? Possibly in our previous class, we determined
170 into 19.
no increment. How do we calculate the increment cost? Let us assume that it is we are calculating increment cost for
Crash cost minus normal cost divided by normal duration minus crash duration.
cost. Correct. Divided by normal duration. Okay. Minus. Okay. Anyone apart from Saurabh? Anyone else? How to what are the different values here? The substitution for these values. Crash cost, normal cost, normal duration. Just substitute these values and tell me the answer. For 1-2, what will be the answer? Increment cost
600.
what is it? How much?
1600 minus 1000.
1,600 minus 1,000 divided
1000
by
divided by 5 minus 4. 5 minus 4.
600 rupees per day. Right? The first increment cost. Likewise, just calculate the increment cost for the remaining activities. Okay. Apart from Deepali, any other student who can just tell me increment cost for the remaining activities? And the screen will be like this. Wants to make photo of it can do it, but simultaneously others can calculate increment cost for the remaining activities.
So increment cost for 2-3 is 170 minus 100
170.
minus 100 divided by
else-
7 minus 6 is equal to 70.
70 rupees. Correct. That's right. Okay, I'm going for the next screen. So here I'm writing the activity, or I will just write it in the main. First one was 600. Okay. Next is 70.
So,
Yes.
I had a doubt on cycle 1, sir.
Let us come to that.
Okay. Okay.
Come to that. Okay, apart from Kriti and Deepali, anyone else?
So
Exactly.
activity for 2 to 4, it's 200 increment cost. Hello,
Yes, yes. Tell me. For 2-4, how much?
it's 200,
Next one,
400,
400.
400. The last one is
100.
100. Correct. So these are the different values of increment. So simultaneously, if there are any doubts regarding the calculation which we have done until class, come to the next calculation. So once the increment cost is calculated, next work is very much straightforward. You have to first determine what is the project completion duration and also the cost. Why we are supposed to do this? Because only by determining this we can start reducing the project completion duration. Okay, duration is very much important. First, we have to determine the project completion duration. Why? Because project completion duration is directly dependent on the project or directly related to the project. More the number of project completion duration, more will be the project cost. Okay, going ahead. Okay, so what do we do next? We have to determine the project completion duration. Project completion duration. Okay, so what is the project completion duration? First, we have to determine the different possible paths. What are the different possible paths? Okay, apart from Deeksha, anyone else? First, we have to determine the possible paths in this particular network. Apart from one who has answered, apart from those possible paths.
One dash 2 dash 3 dash 5.
Not anyone else? Apart from those already answered. Apart from these, we have to determine the possible paths. Possible paths. What are the possible paths? And project completion duration. Okay, not waste time. Okay, so just tell me what are the different possible paths? Anyone can answer.
1-2-3-5.
What is the path duration?
17 days.
17 days.
1-2-4-5.
4-5.
19 days.
Paths. Uh, and project completion. So for this project completion, we determine the project cost. What should be the project cost? Has anyone determined it?
4,930.
4,930.
4,900. Total project cost is equal to total normal plus the total indirect cost for 19 days plus nothing. So we just stop it here. Okay, so total normal cost. What is the total normal cost? First one was 1,000. Correct. Next, normal cost 1,000 plus 100. What were the normal cost values?
100,
100.
Plus
200, 100 plus 300. Total 1,700.
1,000. Next, total indirect cost for 19 days.
$170.
Into 170.
Answer should be
4930.
4930.
1,700 plus 3,230.
4,000. This should be the first project cost. Now, our effort is to reduce this number. If this number reduces, this project cost will decrease. Now, the reason first listing of critical activities is very much important. Okay, so I'm going ahead. This, if anyone wants to go back to the previous screen, start in cycle 1. First one is determination path. So this is the critical path here.
1-2-4-5. 19 days.
Next is we list all the next step is selection of critical activities. In a cycle, we can reduce only one activity. Class I had this question, wherein one them had asked, in a cycle, can we select two different activities? Okay, in the textbook, they have mentioned only one activity in a cycle. That means what if only one activity can be reduced in one cycle? Okay, so two activities cannot be considered in a single cycle. Okay, so we'll follow whatever is in the textbook itself. Okay, selection of the critical activity. For that, we have to use critical activity. Let me see. So, which are the critical activities?
1 dash 2,
Okay,
2 dash
yes, apart from question, selection of critical activities. So which is the critical activity? Which are the critical activities that we are supposed to list? The table is normal duration. Apart from Vaishnavi, anyone else? Which are the list of critical activities? Which are the critical activities? Okay, critical activities are 1 dash 2. Next,
2 dash 4.
dash 4,
2 dash 4. And the last one is
4 dash 5,
5,
4 dash. Normal duration
5,
5,
6, 8,
6, and
8,
8.
5, 6, 5. Next,
4, 5, and
4,
5.
5, 5,
4, 5, and
5.
5,
normal cost is next 2 dash 4.
200.
100, 300,
300.
Okay,
1600.
1,600.
400.
600,
600.
Okay, and cost 600.
600.
10,
200. And 100.
100. So increment cost cannot be 1,500 for 1 dash 2.
Human cost is right. 600 is correct. Right? We have already calculated 1,600. 1,600. 1,000 divided by 5 is 4.
Yes, sir, got it.
Okay, so we'll go for the next one. Okay. Okay. So in case if anyone wants me to go back to the, so how should be the selection be done? Yes. Apart from Ankit, what else?
17 days. By 2 days, we can reduce. So
17 days because but how do we decide it is 7? So which
because
activity?
because the other path will be 17 days. So maximum duration we can reduce by
Correct.
2 days only.
2 days only we can reduce. Correct. Now which activity we are going to reduce? Apart from Saurabh, which activity we are going to consider here for activity reduction? Whether we are going to consider 1 dash 2 4-4 or 4-5.
So 4-5.
4-5. Yes. Is it correct? 4-5. Others 4-5.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. 4-5 activity has to be selected, right? Because the increment cost is less. Increment cost is less, 100 rupees. So this is least increment cost. That's right. 100 rupees. This least increment cost. Okay, so this is to be selected now. For how many days you are going to reduce this activity? 8 days it is normally taking. 5 days we can finish this activity. So decision has to be taken as to whether we are going to reduce it by 1, 2, or
2
3 days.
days.
Correct. Activity 4-5
3 days. 3 days.
days. We'll see. Normal. And cost less. Therefore, we select this activity for further reduction. Further reduction. Now, normal duration on 4-5. How much it is? Max duration activity. Right. Total reduction possible. Possible. is equal to 8 minus 5. Now we are supposed to decide should we reduce it by 3 days or 2 days or 1. This is the correct answer. Reduce this activity by 2 days or
2 days, sir.
any other answer. Any other answer?
2 days, sir.
2 days. Okay. Right. We have to reduce this activity by 2 days because first critical path itself takes 19 days. And after that, the next least path duration 17 days. 4-5 activity. We do not reduce 4-5 activity. By doing so, path 1 become equal to 17, 19 minus 16 days. Therefore, this path will become non-critical. Alright, so that is the reason we do not reduce this activity by 3 days, but we are reducing it by 2 days. But now what will happen is if we reduce 4-5 by only 2 days, then this path is also critical. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Correct. So this is how it has to be done. Next is so if anyone wants me to go back, therefore, twice project completion duration. So what will be the revised project completion duration?
Eight minus two.
Revised project
17 days. 17 days.
1, 2, 3,
Will
5.
be 17 days. Two critical paths. There are two critical paths now.
Project.
Sir, we can even reduce it to 1 day, right, sir?
Yes, we can reduce it by 1 day, but again you have to repeat the same step once. First you have to reduce from 19 to 18, and again you have to repeat the same step for 18 to 70.
Okay, we have to do 2 cycles then.
2 cycles. But now we are combining those two and making it one.
Yes, sir.
Calculate the project cost.
$4,790.
So, and is it less than the previous one? More than that?
Yes, sir.
Less than that. Less than the previous project.
Yes, sir.
Yes, so I'm going for the next screen. Total project cost. Total normal. And what else? What other components are to be added? Total normal cost.
Indirect cost.
Apart from Ankit.
Plus increment cost for 3 days.
Two days, sir.
Sorry, 2 days, sir.
2 days.
Anything else? All of these ones. All right. So apart from these, what will be the normal cost? What will be the total normal
1,700.
Correct cost for 17 days.
117 to 17, that is 2890.
Increment cost for 2 days.
100 into 2.
Total directly tell me the 1,700 plus 200.
4790.
4790.
Right. So is this cost lesser than the previous?
Yes, yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Problem? Have to continue this problem. Total cost is this. Okay. So next is determining the critical path. What will be the project duration here?
17 days.
20 days. And what is that path?
1 dash,
2,
2 dash,
4,
4 dash.
4 dash 5 and 1 dash 2 dash 3 dash 5.
Both are equal to 17 days. Okay. Apart from Saurabh, Ankit, and Vaishnav, anyone else? What will be the critical activities in this case?
One to two.
Just hold for a minute. Sometime for writing. Just hold for a minute. Yes, tell me, Deeksha.
1 to 2.
1-2, okay.
2 to 4. 2 dash 4. 4 dash 5. 2 dash 3. 3 dash 5.
All right. And this. Increment cost. What is the increment cost? 1-2.
600. 2 dash 200. 100. 70. And 400.
Apart from Deeksha, anyone else? Which activity is supposed to be selected here? Apart from Deeksha, anyone else? And simultaneously, if anyone wants to do that, this is screen.
Sir, is it necessary to write all these again? If since we are going to stop our okay,
Yes.
sir, got it.
Not required. It is required for me to get it to
Got
again.
it, sir. Okay, sir. Got it.
Otherwise, this is not. You can just write with the answer. Write that is. So which activity has to be selected? Okay. No answers. Others. Okay. Anyone can tell me which activity is supposed to be selected here?
2-3.
2-3, sir, 70.
2-3 has to be selected. That is 70. This is the least cost.
Least increment cost.
Correct. Everyone agrees to this?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So this is the least increment cost. But only problem here is, can we select this activity for the activity reduction?
No, sir.
Duration reduction. What is the problem here? What will happen if we reduce 2-3 activity by 1 day?
The critical path will become non-critical.
Correct. The critical path will become non. That is the reason why. Because the problem here is this is 1 dash. Correct. What will happen is 2-3 is alone. Correct. This is totally in a different path. If you reduce this activity by 1 day, what will happen is only this path will become less by 1 day. That is, initially it is taking 17 days. This now will become 16 days. But this is also critical now. This path is also critical. This will become 17 itself, and this will become critical. Reduce 2-3. Is it understood here why we cannot reduce 2-3 activity, or anyone wants me to explain once? Just remember one thing: whenever you have 2 or more critical paths, here that is the case, correct? So here there are 2 different critical paths. One is going this way, the other is going this way, correct? When you have this case, you have to select such an activity which is available in both critical paths. So do we have such an activity which is available in both the critical path? First critical path is 4, 5.
No, sir. We don't have.
Another is 1, 2, 4, 5. We have to select such an activity which is available in both the paths. We have such an activity.
1-2.
-2 is available in both the paths, correct? This we can select and we can reduce, but we can see that the cost is on the higher side. 1-2, if you have to see, is on the higher side. We can just try and see if we can get a cost reduction possible here. Why? Because 70 rupees is the least, but what will happen is the critical path will become non-critical. This will become 16, this will become 17. This becomes non-critical. What happens? So if that has to be avoided, what we have to do is we have to reduce one. We have to see, we have to just do a trial and error. Okay. If it works, it will work. Otherwise, we'll stop. Correct? Any doubts here? This is simple. But if there is any doubts, I would need to explain this once again. The issue.
So if we reduce 1 dash 2,
Yes,
then we have to reduce it in both the critical paths, I guess.
correct.
Okay.
The total possible numbers of days. What is the total number of days we can 1 dash 2? By how many days we can?
1 day, sir.
1 day. We have to reduce both the paths by 1 day. What will happen is initially it is 17.
16 each. It will be.
This will become 16. This also becomes for the next rent cost. That's the activity. If we reduce by 1 day, total path 1 equal to 16. Therefore, we cannot reduce 2 dash 3. Right, so we cannot select 2 dash 3 activity for okay, so just therefore we select 1 dash 2 activity. Okay, since it is available in both the critical paths, we select 1 dash 2 activity. Okay, so I'm just going a little bit fast. Since 1 dash 2 activity. Therefore, 1 dash 2 by 1. Then both the will reduce by 1. Okay. So that is 1, 2, 3, 5. 17 minus 1 is 16. 1, 2, 4, 5 is 17 minus 1. Both are valid. So just calculate the project cost for this. By considering 16 days, just calculate the project cost. And others who have difficulty,
4,520, sir.
have you included, considered the increment cost?
Oh, yeah.
Cost also. Others who have any doubts, you can clarify it.
Sorry, 5,020, sir. Incremental cost will be 600.
600.
Even if we take this, the answer will be the cycle one
Cycle
because
one.
it is least.
100 rupees is almost more than any
More
other
than.
critical activity. Plus or only 170 or 200. Okay. So therefore, project cost is total indirect cost or total normal cost, total indirect cost or 16 days cost plus increment cost for dash cost. So total direct cost is how much? 1000.
1,700.
If there is any doubts, you can ask. Total indirect cost 16 days.
2,720 will be the total indirect cost of.
Increment cost for 4-5, how much?
It's 1-2, no, sir.
Uh,
Increment cost.
Yes, 1-2 is also included, and 4-5 also has to be included. Why? Because initially 19 days was the project duration, correct? Now from
Yes, sir.
19, we have brought it down to 16. This is the revised project period, correct? Now this is, we have adjusted 3 days. Now this adjustment we have to show here in the calculation. 2 days we have adjusted in 4-5. 1 day we have adjusted in 1-2. Correct?
Okay. So for 4-5 is the amount we have to do it into 2, sir.
Correct. So 2 into 70 rupees.
So 2 into 100, sir. 4-5.
4-5 is 100 is
100, sir. 70 is 2-3.
70 was
600 into 1.
100. Right. What will be the total cost?
5220.
It is more than the previous, is it right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
I'm just going a little bit fast. 5,200
20.
greater than previous 4,000.
790. 4,790.
Greater than the previous project cost. Okay, so what is the optimum project duration?
17 days.
So we are not going to consider 16, but we are considering 17 because if you consider 16, this will be the answer. It is more, and the cost, always remember, the management would not like to see more cost, wants to reduce this cost as much less as possible. Answer. Explanation is not required anywhere. Semester in the examination. Important thing is we have to bring this in the answer book. That is that.
Sir,
Yes.
Is it necessary to calculate that this thing, sir? This cycle 2 which you have done?
It is better. Sometimes we scheme have mentioned it. At least 2-3, if if we are just mentioning that the project cost is higher than the previous project cost, that statement is not accurate.
Yes,
Right?
sir.
But it is better you write whatever you know. It is better you write it.
Yes, sir. Sir,
Yeah.
so can you just go to the previous? The previous one again. So the next one. Next one, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so I'm concluding the class here. If anyone has any doubts, you can ask. Others can leave. The screen will be like some minutes. If anyone wants me to go back to the previous, where's the class? Last year, just
Sir,
said
slide number 14, sir, can you just move?
slide number 4. The class here just sent me the list of absent.
Yes, sir.
Is this the one?
Yes, sir.
So if anyone wants me to go to the backward,
Done, sir.
okay, thank you, everyone.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.